Yes, good morning students. Next we solve question number 21. The question is Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first two unit test. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third test to have an average at least 60 marks. Clear? Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in two unit test and find the minimum marks he should get in the third test to have an average at least 60 marks. This is the question. Let marks obtained by Ravi in third test that is X according to the question. In first test 75, in second test 70 and in third test X, and their average is 3. You can solve average. Average means sum of observation divided by number of observation. So in according to the questions given, it is at least 60 marks. At least 60 marks, it means greater than or equal to 60. At least 60. At least, you can use this sign, and at most you can use this sign. At most. Correct? At least. Now, can you solve 70 plus 75, 145 plus X by 3 greater than or equal to 60? Now multiplying both sides by 3. 145 plus X greater than or equal to 180. Therefore, X greater than or equal to 180 minus 145. X greater than or equal to 35. So it means 35 or more than 35 marks. 35 or more than 35 marks. Clear? This is question number 21. Question number 22. Question number 22. Same question. To receive grade A in a course, one must obtain an average of 90 marks or more in 5 examinations, each of 100 marks. If Sunita's marks is first 4 examination is 87 and 92 and 94 and 95, find the minimum marks that Sunita must obtain in the 5th examination to get A grade in the course. Clear? Let the marks secured by Sunita in the 5th grade, that is X. That is X, it means plus X greater and divided by 5 and greater than or equal to 90. Average score is 90 marks or more marks. Correct? It means greater than or equal to 90. Further you can solve. This is the hint for you. Next question number 23rd. Question number 23rd. Very important question. Find all pair of conjugative odd positive integer, both of which are smaller than 10, such that sum is more than 11. Find all pair of odd conjugative number, both of which are smaller than 10 and such that their sum is more than 11. Then let two conjugative odd positive number, positive integer is x and x plus 2. Odd positive integer, let x and x plus 2, and their sum is more than 10. According to the question, their sum is more than 11. Their sum is more than 11. X plus x 2x greater than 11 minus 2, 9. Therefore, x greater than 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means 4 and a half. 4 and a half. Correct? Now, can you tell me greater than 4 and a half? Odd number. Odd number. The possible value of x. Possible value of x. Possible value of x. 5, 7 and 9. Because in the questions given, both numbers should be smaller than 10. The answer of this question. Suppose the first number is 5. First number is 5, then 5 plus 2, 7. This is the answer. Correct? And the second possibility, suppose your number is 7. Suppose 7. Then 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, this is the answer. If you take 9, the answer is 9 and 11. If you take 9 plus 2, 11, but it is not possible. Because both numbers should be smaller than 10. Given in the question. Therefore, it is not possible. This is not possible because in question given both numbers should be smaller than 10. Only this is the answer. Then your homework is, note down your homework. Solve question number 17 to 26. 17 to 26. Okay. There are total 26 questions. Yes. Thank you.